Hey everybody, these walls are ditching the blues and going for the black rockstar band vibe. Wait till you see the finale. Plates are off, sanded smooth, no cracks, no holes. 80% of the finish is the prep work. Skip it and your solo flops. And now it's time for the drum solo. Keep the beat with the mixer and the black paint will sing. Is that my drumstick? The cut-in is like the lead guitar. Keep the rhythm or it gets messy. And you don't need tape, the lines are memorized. Don't miss here are the ceilings in the band. Groupies. This is gonna slay. No cap. Alright, rolling it. First coat's a warm up. Second coat is black gold. You will want to two-coat this for rock star status. Encore time. Black wall rocking the house. Hey, tag your paint disasters below. Like if you're a fan, subscribe for the next gig.